Yo, what's up, guys? Sekwena here. So today's Thursday, and yesterday we took two losses, and actually the market ended up dropping because my objective was it's going to sell to just mitigate that gap on the side there. But anyway, let's just carry on with our analysis. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys. Firstly, I can see that the market has actually just left me as it's a bit higher at the moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my support level somewhere there, so just give me a moment. So yeah, I'm expecting a bullish trend today. I think it's gonna buy, but yeah, this is my support zone. Soon as it comes there, that's when I'll enter my trade. But I'm not looking forward to trading my funded accounts as I'm waiting for my payouts. I'll give you payout updates. Yo guys, so the market left us and went 400 pips ahead of us. I hear everyone complaining about this week.
Because the setup is right. You go in profit. When it's supposed to do what it's supposed to do, it goes the opposite. If you follow the opposite, it goes again the opposite. Then you follow the opposite, it goes again the opposite.
I'm just grateful that last week we were able to secure profits on both of our funded accounts. So now we can sit back and just watch the market do its thing. So that's what we are doing now. So I can see the support level. My alert is still there, but I don't think the market will ever come there again. Maybe in the New York session, but I'll keep updating you guys. It's like 400 pips. So there's the New York session update, guys. The market left without us, went 600 pips away. Today we actually learned a valuable lesson. Stay tuned to hear about it. The valuable lesson that I learned this week is that actually secure the bag, secure the bag when the market conditions are nice. Don't leave a day, don't see the market moving nice and you see opportunities, then you just hold your money. You are scared to enter because you are thinking tomorrow is gonna be better. Because immediately when we started this week, immediately we failed our first our challenge account that was sitting on phase 2. As you can see here, it was sitting on phase 2. Last week we were able to pass phase 1. This week we failed phase 2, couldn't get funded on this one. But last week at the same time we were able to maximize, as you can see on my 10k funded account, which is this one. On my 10k funded account, just give it a moment. So on my 10k funded account, I was able to secure a profit of $1,000 last week when the market conditions were nice. This week I've been taking losses after losses after losses, and the valuable lesson here, guys, is that when you're taking losses, that it doesn't mean your strategy is the worst. It doesn't mean just because I lost 2 days in a row that I should 3 days in a row that I should give up on my strategy. My strategy has been giving me payouts, and I'm still waiting for a $1,000 payout and another $500 payout, which I'm gonna show you. My point is that you don't need to change your strategy, but make sure that when the market conditions are the best, you maximize your profits. You let your profits run. You hide in your take profits, but you keep monitoring. You keep trailing your stop. Trail your stop. Make sure that you ooze the trade from whatever that you can provide, because you don't know what next week might come with. You don't know what next month might come with. You don't know that the money that you would have made if you're doing this full time was gonna be able to pay you rent for the next 5 months. So guys, this is the valuable lesson that I learned. Let's keep pushing. Let me show you my other funded account. It is just to show you guys that what I'm talking about is really it. On this trade, on this account, the 5k one, I made $500 payout, and also it was last week, guys. So please guys, let's maximize our profits when there's time, because this week for me, I'm getting a feeling that, let me go to my chart. As I was saying guys, this week I'm getting a feeling that I would have lost away all of my profits, or even not being able to make it for a payout, because I already took losses this week. I've never taken a single win this week. It's only Monday whereby I was able to secure a win, but that win was not sufficient. The market didn't move further. It just went 200 pips into profits. So this was, I don't know why the market is okay. So this was yesterday we took a loss right here. Tuesday we took another loss here, and then this was Monday. So Monday we took 2 losses, one here, and this one is the one that I'm talking about, that it was in profits but then it came back. So guys, I did well by managing my trades well last week and not being too happy, because I had just received my payout last week. Not being too happy and leaving space for next week. But I was like, okay, I just got paid, but back to work, because this week looks proper. This week has opportunities. So guys, make sure you maximize your winning months, your winning weeks, because there are times like this whereby your strategy, I think, is the way the market works. There's a time whereby trend lines work. There's a time whereby SMC work. There's a time whereby Fibonacci's work. So it's a cycle. Make sure that when your cycle comes, you maximize, because you can't maximize when it's a cycle for trend lines. And make sure you know when to leave the market. Shout out guys.